Hi, what's going on YouTube? Ready, steady, bomb. So today just I want to talk about bomb coin because there's many people, there's many YouTubers who are talking about bomb coin. So why not I'm also give some review about this one project. So right here I am always search about those projects who are reliable and trusted. But right now I'm just talking about the bomb coin. So all the little link about this one project you will be get in the video description, and please make sure if you are new to the channel, so please subscribe my channel to get those projects who are more and more, who have a more and more potential in upcoming time. So you must be subscribed for that. So right now I just talking about the ready steady bomb. Right here you can see bomb coin, the future of token economy. First of all, if you look to the main website of this one project, you can see right here. First of all, they don't know about that. How can I make the website? This is the first point of this one project. They don't know about that. How can I display my website? How can I publish my website in the Chrome, in the Google? So means that this is a big issue of this one project. This is the first issue. And right now I just want to talk about this one project. Right here you can see, if you look to the future of token economy, why they are directly told about the future of token economy. What is this? This is a big issue. This is the second issue of this one project. And right now, not just another meme coin. Our vision is to widespread the idea of the cryptocurrency and digital finance among the normal masses. Bomb is a token based on Binance Smart Chain, born to provide utility in the future of cryptocurrency by bringing on e-wallet and cryptocurrency exchange with right here user interface and ease of use. So basically, first of all, they directly told about that this is working on Binance Smart Chain. Yeah, this is right, but there's some issue about this one token, not just another meme coin. So why they didn't first of all give some fundamental of this one project? So I am move on, and right here you can see. So this is too much important for every project. I'm always search about those projects who are clear from audit. Those projects who the audit of those projects who are already clear. But right now I just want to click on that, then I'm directly come to this one page, and you can see they just want to make a form for audit. After that they just want to wait for that. Right here you can see there's the different almost up to 4 audit detail will be passed. But if we looked, almost 16 report are still unpending. That means this project anytime get a rejection from the audit. So that's why this is a big issue, and this is a third issue of this one project. And right now I'm just gonna to give some more detail. Fire is set, blasting zone, fair launch in with the supply of just 500k. We are ready to boom. Okay, we understood that you have a supply of just 500k. How can we trust about that? You have a 500k supply. You can give me any proof of this one supply? So this is a fourth issue of this one project. After that I just want to go, and they just want to talk about it. Fire is set, blasting is on, fair launch. Okay, let's begin. Right here you can see how it's going to be. Bombs roadmap. Why they don't said about ecosystem? How can they distribute the main supply? Where is the team of this one project? So you must have a question about that. Why this project is come to a blockchain? Who are working on that? So right now I just want to give some detail. Quarter 2022 giveaway and airdrops. but I can't see anything about that right now. Maybe this project have a more and more potential in upcoming time, because this is 100% fresh. This is just launch in almost in 4-5 days. But I didn't recommend you must take entry in this project. I didn't recommend you take entry, because this project have no more this project have more and more issues. And right here you can see quarter 2 and quarter 3 and bomb advanced crypto exchange platform, buy and sell, but I didn't think so about this one. And token information, this is a symbol and total supply, but how can I believe that this is a total supply of this one project? Have you any proof? Because you can't right now list on any coin market, CoinGecko as well as. So how can I believe on that? And after that you can see there's a main or dynamic swaps. So this is also not yet to be done. If you look to our partners, so you can see coin market, but right now I didn't think so. This is not yet to be done, because you can see if we search on coin market cap, they are not coming the main searching box. Certic are yet coming soon, because I already told about that. And BSC scan, yes, I am also create any token on BSC scan. I am creating a scam coin anytime, scam token anytime. PancakeSwap, yes, you are present in the PancakeSwap, but there's a many fake token and coins who are present in the PancakeSwap. After that, if you look to PooCoin, I'm also gonna to apply the PooCoin and CoinGecko, but you not yet to be listed in CoinGecko. I'm also searching about that. And after that, there is no any team, there is no any more detail about this one token. They have no more arrangement in upcoming time. So I'm just gonna to give you some detail about this one project, and it is too much important. Also, they don't have any community, so you must wait for that. After that, I am just want to clarify everything about this one project. After that, I will be give you complete review about this one project. First of all, there's a many issues. After that, I will be give you some more important detail about this one project, but right now I didn't recommend, because you can see anyone can create a BP20 token on BSC with any name, including create fake version of existing token and token that claim to represent project that do not have a token. If you purchase an arbitrary token, you may be unable to sell it back. So this is a point. We won't able to sell it back. So if you trade, so be careful trade, because you know about that there's a more and more scam in cryptocurrency. And always search about those projects who are reliable and trusted. So this is all detail about the Boom coin, and I want to predict about that. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Thanks a lot.